Hi guys, so today I'll show you my brick set. Let's go. This pirate theme and this comes with a parrot, a snake, and 2 pirates. Let's go. I'm gonna drag that stuff in there. There's another bag. So let's open it. The head. So here is the boat and the captain, and here's the beach and the treasure. Captain, there's a snake. Captain, hit him with your sword. Okay. Yay, we killed the snake and we found the treasure. Captain, we're rich. Let's go in. So that was the pirate brick set from the Toys Company. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe my videos. Bye! Now we have to do the 2 policemen. And when you're done playing, just close it like this.